Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to create Facebook lead ads. Open your Google browser. First, you need to search Business Facebook in here. Then you can see this Facebook Business Manager website on the top of all. Then you need to go to that website. Next, you need to tap on this All Tool option here. Now you can see the Ad Manager option under the Advertise here. So tap on it. From there, you can see the Create button under the Campaigns option. Click on it and start creating your lead ad. Next, you will need to choose a campaign objective. Select the lead generation option and click Continue. After you fill these all details, you can create Facebook lead ads easily. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.